Okay, so today we're here at the Wheaton International Flea Market. This is the back side of my table. It doesn't look as nice as the front. So we've got our Fridge Smarts here today. And Fridge Smart keeps your produce fresh longer in the fridge. It has a nice little guide on the side that shows you what settings to put it on to keep it fresh. At the bottom it has a little ridged area that draws away the condensation. Okay. We've got our Quick Chef Pro here at the flea market. We've also got our Smart Stack Cooker. And you can microwave an entire meal in this container right here. Check out some of the videos on YouTube. They've got some nice recipes on there. We've got a couple other little items, little containers for the kids. An example of some of the organizational items we have in this super duper salsa salad bowl with the little containers on the side. You can put your salsa on one side and your cheese dip on the other. We've also got our super expandable bowl here where you can put in larger, bulky items. And of course, we're accepting Visa, MasterCard, and Discover here at the flea market. So come visit us here. See you guys soon. Bye.